it's QueenZiare.
Come on, y'all gotta match my energy. That's not fair. Woo! Bro, why y'all all shining your phone?
Hey, who's gonna catch on fire first?
It's so hot, man. I know. Glizzy griller.
Glizzy? Hold on.
Beautifully wrapping the
what? Finish that sentence?
the meat. Yo, Cameron, you wanna say hi?
I'm guessing the word is that QuEEZYBEE vlog.
Y'all, I committed earlier. Like, I only got no swimsuit, no towel, no nothing. I fully got in. Like, I was soaked. Hey y'all, so I'm finna go to school. Before school, I wanted to do Utada because I just feel like this outfit is Utada worthy. What my mom bought me eats. I think it eats and I think it's cute. Like this little jean jumpsuit is giving hardworking woman. It's giving business. And then I got this with the little sparkly white belt and some tennis shoes. I got a bang with the ponytail with some hair left out, and it's just like a curly facade with a pink rubber band, pink heart earrings from Guess. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. So yeah. Good morning, y'all. Today is 7:12 a.m. and today, well, this week at my school is Spirit Week, and today is Twin Day. So I got in touch with one of my classmates. Her name is Fiona, and we were just partners on another project, but we're partners right now on something else. So I was like, hey, do you have a twin for Twin Day? And she was like, nope. And I was like, you want to be twins? And she was like, sure. So we put together, don't mind my ghetto mirror. Let's just pretend like it's no crack right there, okay? So I got on this jean jacket with a white t-shirt underneath, and then a jean skirt. To top it off, we got some white tennies, skirt, jean jacket, and a white tee. So that's basically my Utada today. I'll see you guys later.
What's up, G-Way? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl QueenZiare, and it's the next day. Today's another day of Spirit Week, and it's just like your type day. I don't know specifically what to wear. I just threw on some clothes, and I'm just gonna say I just like a dude. First off, I don't never wear a hat, so this is weird for me. But I stole my brother's hat. It says something. Yeah, I stole his hat. He had more that matched with the colors on my shirt, but he didn't want to let me wear them because they were his special hats, whatever that means. Yeah, I put on a hat with some little diamond earrings, baggy jeans with the blue and yellow at the top, and a hat. I didn't know what else to wear. Like, I basically just tried to dress like a dude. This is just like your type day, so I'm just gonna dress like a dude because, you know, okay. I love you can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you want you want.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you want that, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari, nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They
tell that you don't have my location?
I don't have a car yet.
Okay.
Oh! I'm literally him! Now screw you, Queen!
What? Girl master.
You know what messing up?
This woman has to pay.
Glizzy griller.
Glizzy! Hold on.
Here we have our hard-working woman in the kitchen, Kevin.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Beautifully wrapping the
what? Finish that sentence?
the meat. Woo.
Over.
Oh. Yo, Cameron, you wanna say hi?
I'm guessing the glizzy.
Hey.
Is that QZ vlog?
This is Naima, Adriana, Donna, Miss Lady back there. What's your name, Miss? Dana? Beautiful, very beautiful. Donna. Oh, thank you, Aaron. What's your name, sir? Brandon. He copied.
This right here is the famous streamer, Ali A. The famous streamer, Ali A. Already know.
And then Julie. Hi. This is Miss Lopez. She is the assistant principal. She is the assistant principal. She is the best AP English and language teacher ever.
I still think.
W teacher. Oh, it feels nice. Y'all look so beautiful. This is the best APUS government and politics teacher. Thank you, Miss.
Oh, this is not Yeah, who's gonna catch on fire first? There's longer sticks. There are a bunch of long sticks over there.
I would say you were long.
Got it. Woo! Almost tripped. Shining your phone. Let me get these two beautiful men. These two beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, fabulous men.
That don't come for me, I'm Mexican.
Bro, race has nothing to do with it. I don't discriminate. We are all beautiful.
Alright, let's go. Beautiful. I know, sweet sir.
Come on, y'all gotta match my energy. That's not fair. That's not fair, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, right now I'm at the senior bonfire, and it's so fun. Y'all, we got s'mores, hot dogs, graham crackers, chocolate. I just explained the s'mores. Soda, ice cream, karaoke. I'm getting closer and closer to the ocean too. We're trying to be in my vlog. Y'all, I committed earlier. Like, I only got no swimsuit, no towel, no nothing. I fully got in. Like, I was soaked. running in the sunset together, and it was beautiful. Okay, I gotta pay attention because this water is crazy.
They look pretty cute.
Cool.
So chill.
No, I got his toes.
Where's your $1,000 right there?
Hey, if you get paid, I get paid.
Keep being safe, keep making good choices. We have about, what, an hour-ish? We have an hour to hang out together, have some more s'mores, have some more age-appropriate drinks, and
No promises.
have a good time. We love you guys. Woo!
But I won't waste my time trying to figure playing games with this old self.
No, it's on.
And I can't believe you're hurting me. What you
Wait a minute, my king, I left my conscience on your front doorstep. But I'm here right now, just sitting in a crowd. Oh wow, I'm here right now with you. Oh wow. Some things they hurt, and they tear apart me. You left your diary in my house, and I read those pages. You will love me, baby. I left my consciousness in the pit darkness. She left my soul with his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
Ladies, I'm an escalator. Going upstairs, so see you later.